stretches beneath us like a living story. Roads and rivers, buildings and hills, all woven together in rhythm. This is not just land, it is heritage. You can almost hear the music of our people in the silence of the sky. To the east, neighborhoods burst with life and movement. To the west, towers rise,